The Hungarian Central Statistical Office has been responsible for collecting and producing data about Hungary for 150 years now. The experts of migration statistics in the Hungarian Central Statistical Office are happy to lead the project YOUMIG.
YOUMIG gave each partner municipality the chance to test a targeted policy action that stakeholders expected to be helpful in managing youth migration locally. With the aid of a good practices guide offering examples which were successful elsewhere, YOUMIG partners each designed their pilot action closely linked to the goal of improving services for young people on the move. Some of the ideas tested were a virtual business incubator, a mentoring program for migrant girls who choose technical careers, co-working spaces and programs boosting telework and creative entrepreneurship, an online platform to address potential returnees and their interests, sensitization and multicultural trainings for preschool teachers, and language courses for migrant communities. Cities are often judged by the services they provide to their residents. Migration puts administrative burdens on young people who often don't know where to turn with their questions. YOUMIG identified local stakeholders, administrators, teachers, politicians, concerned citizens, who each hold a piece of the puzzle with their knowledge about the needs of young people in different areas. YOUMIG believes youth migration is one of the important topics for the development of our region. Therefore, each of the 7 YOUMIG municipalities prepared a local strategy. These strategies collect the most important lessons learned from our project into a practical handbook for decision makers and stakeholders. Each strategy comes complete with a data toolkit, an Excel-based app that's easy to use and gives users quick information about migration in their locality, with graphs, ready-to-print reports and more. YOUMIG held trainings for local council staff to make sure they understand how to use the data and how to update it in future to create an evidence-based policy agenda on youth migration in the Danube region. Different branches of government and administration find it hard to communicate, especially when coordination on data or registrations is involved. YOUMIG held several workshops to see where coordination between institutions or public relations with the target groups could be improved. Partners published some country-specific recommendations on how to improve the information flow. More than 100 people took part in YOUMIG, and even more people got involved indirectly in its activities. YOUMIG hopes this network of knowledge will stay alive after the days of the project, as a reliable source of information to ensure more evidence-based decision-making for youth migration in the Danube region.